everyone, my name is Jyoti and today I'm getting a fingerling. It attached to your finger and you can take it anywhere. If you put it upside down, it'll close its eyes and they're so adorable and so cute. Let me buy one. I want to buy blue with skin and orange color hair. Let me call them. Excuse me, can I please have a fingerling? Yes, I want Boris.
Oh, okay, Boris.
Waiting. Oh, there it is!
Hi, your name is Jyoti?
Yes, and can I please sign?
Thank you. And my name is Kavya.
Do you want to join my video?
Yes!
Come in!
I thought you'd never have the video form.
Come on, sit with me!
Hi. Hi, everyone. My name is Kavya.
Yeah. Ta-da! This is Fingerling and his name is Boris. He has blue skin and peach color, his like arms and legs and head are kind of bluish, and his hair is orange. And by the way, his face is kind of his ears and his hands and his legs are peach.
Guys, when you there's a button here when you do this.
It operates to you. It'll like interact to you.
Yeah.
It'll be like, it's kind of like a friend. It's called Boris, if I can pronounce it properly. Okay, let's open it. And it says you can swing them, you can pet them, you can rock them to sleep. I'm gonna be so happy. What about you?
Me too. And I'm so excited to touch it. I never touched it.
Me too. And it will attach to your finger and by the tail too. And by the way, this will make 40 plus sounds. That is so amazing. It'll be like, "Kee." And if you turn its head back and you click this, and it'll turn like that. If you click, it'll turn like that. So let's open.
And when you say bye, guys, tell us, comment which one you get, the purple one or the glittered one.
Yeah, she likes the purple one so much.
Yeah, but that's okay when I got that.
Okay, so we're gonna carefully put our baby little monkey here. So cute, and it has a button in the back. Let's just don't touch it before. Let's just put that in the trash. No, it comes with the instructions. So if you want the instructions, it's somewhere here. There, no. Yeah, see? The instructions are over here, hidden. I don't know why they keep it a secret, but it's hidden. So that's where the user manual is. I'm gonna put that over here and here. Really don't know. Got some trash all around. Oh, wait. And I want to rip this photo so I can show you guys this. And it's a baby monkey. And it's called Boris. Thanks. It's so cute. It's a baby monkey. Show the picture to them.
Yeah. And her name is Boris.
Yeah. His.
Yeah.
Because he's a he, not a she.
They're
not a her.
They are both same and they are
And this is the user manual. I already know. So you can touch it. Oh, the hair is so fuzzy. Okay, so it says the user manual is the cap sensinator. This is the cap sensinator. This is the microphone. And this is the off and on switch button. That's the back. And this is going to be your finger. And look, if you blow kisses like this, and he'll kiss you back. If you clap twice, watch it monkey around, a monkey like this. And it'll say, pet your monkey's head. Your monkey will show your love. You love. Tap your monkey's head. Yeah, for fun reactions. It'll go like that and like that.
Guys, look at her.
And then you hang out upside down. Explore with your silly side. Cradle your monkey for sleepy reactions. So you can do a lot of fun stuff with this monkey.
She does put my finger in like that.
Yeah, it's so cute and adorable, guys.
That's very cute and never
manuals. Oh my god.
And I
See, this is
never
the back. You have to put the batteries, but the batteries are already included. So yeah.
Can I get
See, it says included over here. Can't see that. Wait, don't get the monkey out like that. Don't get her. How do you want to hurt a monkey?
Inside.
It comes with 3 manuals. I don't know why. Maybe 3 are different. I didn't read the manual. Okay, sit down. Okay, don't get too excited. I'm slowly gonna get your. So, I got the monkey out, and this is it when it's upside down. It's closing its eyes. Why don't you try? Okay, so put your finger like that. It's upside down. It's closing its eyes. It's so cute.
Now let's on it.
Wait, look. And it's so fuzzy. Wait, by the way, you can put your finger like that. Mine is not the right size. Yay, see? Ah! Let's put your finger. Hers won't totally not fit. See? But still, her monkey still loves her. Try this one. Mostly middle fingers fit that much. See? She got it. Yay. Okay, now I'm going to slowly put on the on button. Get up over.
Hi.
Okay, clap. I do like this. See? She's gonna look at me now. See? See? And let's tap its head.
Mommy.
Oh wait, come over here and do it. Tap its head.
Wait, I don't know my finger.
Sure.
My middle finger. My middle finger.
Show it to them. Now tap its head. Tap its head.
Do you love me?
Do this.
I want to make her sleep.
Oh, you're gonna make her sleep? Now look, this is how she goes to sleep. That means she's sleeping.
I want to make her sleep.
So do like that. And guys, if you have like a pretend flower, you can put it on there. So I'm gonna get it. Okay? She won't do it. Over here. Okay, go. So I got this flower pot and give the baby to me. You can also put it on some flowers. See?
Now can I clap?
You can hide it. It's gonna try to play hide and seek. You just try to put it inside. Oh, almost there. Oh, there. Don't move it. See? She can go to sleep or she can sit. Let's go try to find her.
I found her.
Oh yeah, go find her. Let's play hide and seek. You close your eyes. Close your eyes. Shh. Go. You can't see. You can't see. Okay. We can't see. Shit! Now you have to turn. Can't see. Turn away. Copy. You just copy. Now, try to find it where it is. See, it can make sounds, so you can. It's easy. It's an easy entertainment. It's so nice for kids. So sit down. Oh no! Oh, sorry, baby. Monkey. We're gonna call it Boris. It's so adorable. Wait, can you give me that? Okay, now look. See?
time to go to sleep.
Okay, now leave it like this, guys. It's not off. Still on. Try to clap. Try to clap. Now try to do this. So it's not like you do like, it's not so good. I don't like this toy. Don't say that. It's so adorable. Look at its eyes. So if you want one of these, I got it from Amazon for like $14.
Yeah,
It's so cute. You get to pick what color and else how. Kavi really wanted Bella.
Yeah, and she's purple.
No, Mia. That's Mia.
The
Kavi really wanted Mia, and I really wanted this one because it makes so.
Come here, come here. I have a new friend for you.
Who's the new friend?
I show you.
Oh, let's go get it. Here, get it.
It's an elf.
Ooh, an elf. Wait, come here. Come here. Wait, we'll show that at the end. Okay? Sit down. Now, wait. So there's all kinds of things you can do. So if the battery runs out, you just get like some new batteries because how to on it? And you're like, how do you off this? Oh no! Huh? It just gave me kisses back. Okay, so I'm gonna, and then it's done. So, hello. She starts with hello all the time. He. So,
Hello.
and he'll still move its head. But don't try to move its head, okay? Come, sit over here. Okay, you hold the monkey. On it. On it. On this.
I tried.
Do it. Like, hello. You have to send it back. See? It makes like 40 sounds. I don't know all of it, but it's really fun to entertain people and kids. And by the way, I'm gonna play dolls with this. It's gonna be, oh, it's sleeping. And subscribe to Seelam Ramesh 1. Bye. Say bye.
Bye. Say bye, monkey. Bye-bye. Wait.
Say bye. Bye, guys, and subscribe, like, and share.
Daddy!